Hello guys, this is Captain Tomar Awdhesh, and in today's video we'll talk about how to become an airline pilot after doing CPL or a CPL plus type rating. So if you are a CPL holder or a type rated along with the CPL, then the most important thing in this field is the patience and being persistent. Uh, there are people who have waited for longest period of time, but if they remain in the field, I have no example of that person who have not got a job if they have remained in this field. Now, at this current situation, we are into good shape as far as growth is concerned. So we don't see there much delay. But at the end of the day, in such a dynamic industry, you can't rule out any kind of situation. What you should do, which is in your hand? Patience, persistence. These are the two things which will take you a long way. Now, if you are a CPL holder, along with a type rated, or you are just a CPL holder, then the first thing you have to make sure, at no point in time, whatever the wait period, it could be 6 months, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, make sure no licenses from RTR to your FRTL to your CPL to your medicals and including passport is not allowed to be lapsed. At all point in time, you must be current in all of it. Yes, IR probably, if you can afford to for a renewal, that would be best. But if you cannot, you have some financial constraint, maybe that you can delay. But no other license should be lapsed at any point in time. I've seen people who were waiting for a job. They were good candidate. They waited for a few years. Then they allowed their license to lapse. And unfortunately for them, that's the time opportunity has struck. And they were not qualified for even writing the exam. So the most important, this is one of the very most important thing is, don't allow your any of licenses, including passport, to be lapsed. Second, don't wait for the vacancies to come. Whatever happens, like human tendency is, if there is no target, you stop studying because कुछ है ही नहीं करना, पढ़ूंगा क्यों, किस लिए पढ़ना है? No, क्योंकि this is not a UPSC exam where every 1 year there will be exam. Airline plans a vacancy within, they don't give you a month's time. They call you within 10 days, 15 days after announcement. So you don't have a time for preparation. Every day you spend some time with your books. If you are rated with 320, keep studying 320 for at least 2-3 pages a day. If you are 737 rated, obviously spend time on that. If you're a CPL holder, spend time on your CPL subject. And these days, also for other rated people, they also have to be mindful that they don't lose their interest in CPL subjects, because most of the airline ask for that. In their either written exam, they could be asked during interview. So you have to be careful. What happens if you are 320 rated, you just push the CPL aside, you keep studying 320 and you are like, I know everything in 320, ask me. And then they ask you for CPL. So please keep studying your CPL stuff, at least few subjects which is important. At least have keep scanning them whenever you have time. Third thing is prepare for your when you have like your interview. If you go to the interview stage, say, then be careful about your behavioral questions. If you reach to that stage at interview, then technical part, it. That's why you're there. What is most important, which can create a difference between you and other guy who didn't make it, is the behavioral part. So be prepared, or probably just at least have a glance on what kind of behavioral question could be expected in your interview and plan accordingly. As I'm saying, it is a good time. We have a growth in aviation. There could be some people who may come up and say, I'm this rated, I'm that rated, I have not got a job, and I'm still unemployed. That could well be the case, but you cannot discard that in last 2 years, there was number of vacancies. Air India was like hiring every month for type A320 type rated. Number of 737 vacancy has come up. So there was enough opportunity. Yes, you may not be lucky in that, but that doesn't mean you won't be in future. So from now onward, what 3 things you have to do? Keep patience, have a faith in you, have conviction that you will get it. Keep your medicals and all your licenses always current. Be in books, don't wait for exam, because whenever it comes, you won't get time. And then you will start running every different coaching center or academy for your classes. But they are also not a robot that they can finish syllabus in 20 days. People can say that, but that's not practically feasible. So that's the only thing which you can do. Apart from that, with experience for last 15 years, I can say, all of you will get a job, but remain in this field. Try doing something. Try being in the books. If not most of the time, at least couple of hours. Not couple of hours, 1 hour every day. Read 1 or 2, 3 pages per day. Maybe you can make a rule that for yourself. And I can assure you, all of you will get the job. I have got the job after many, many years. But the only thing I got because I was patient enough. So all of you will definitely get in for sure. The only thing is, just keep in mind these things, because opportunity will knock at any point in time, and if you're not prepared, then that would be the most unfortunate part. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And if any of you have any question, please get in touch. Let us know regarding if you have any doubt, any clarification, if you are at any stage of interview, or you're waiting for some opening, you need any assistance, any guidance, give us a call. We'll guide you for the same. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.